Hello guys, welcome to my channel again as the King Expert. First of all, thanks a lot for sharing feedback in my last video where voice was not clearly audible to you. I have tried to make all the changes today as much as possible and I hope the voice will be pretty much clear today in this video. Let's get started. So in this video, we are going to talk about how you can improve your communication skills and how you can overcome the fear of being an introvert. Back in my school days, I was also an introvert guy. It was not possible for me to reach different people. Sometimes I was so much in fear that I cannot even talk with my friends. But now I am talking in front of everyone. So how I achieved that mark? How I am able to stand in front of 1000 people and talk about various things, but at one time I was not able to talk to a single person. So let's talk about that thing. So the first thing is which you need to take care of is how to build confidence in ourselves so that we can start conversations with unknown people as well. So the first step is you might have some best friends in your circle. You should ask them to bring their friends which you do not know so that you can feel comfortable when their friends are around and you can definitely start a conversation with them. That's how I started building confidence in myself, by talking to different people. I went to various gatherings and various functions and events where my different friends were invited and the friends of friends which I did not know were also there. So I tried to start conversation with them. I started building relationships with them. So that's how I got the confidence and how I started building different relations with different people. Right now it might sound very difficult for you to start conversation with different people, but trust me, once you will start, then only you can reach to this position where you need to talk to different people, because in life any situation can come where you need to reach out to a certain person and talk about a very particular thing. So trust me, just start this thing and gradually you will improve a lot. So it took me a very long time to improve, and definitely I'm very happy that I kickstarted that and today I can reach out to anyone. So from this building confidence and talking about communication, I'm not talking about the English thing, not the English language. You can reach out to different persons in your own mother tongue so that you feel pretty much comfortable. Once you are comfortable in your mother tongue, then definitely I can guarantee you can definitely talk to different people in different languages as well. So the first step is reach out to different persons, your friends of friends, which is very good option in your mother tongue, and you will definitely build a lot of confidence in yourself. So the second option which we need to take care of is to have an open body language. Whenever you are trying to initiate a conversation with a different personality, always try to have a smile on your face. Or whenever you try to meet another personality, always try to shake hands or greet others in a traditional manners. This will have a psychological effect on other person and it will make them feel much more comfortable, and it will also build confidence in you. Another point to improve your communication skills, you should always listen to other persons very much carefully. Sometimes it happens that a person is trying to say a different thing, but you understand a different thing because you were not paying attention properly to that question. So always try to listen to the question very much carefully and think before answering the question. This will definitely help you to improve your communication skills because you would be talking very much efficiently about that topic and the other person would also be contributing the same towards you. And now comes the main point. It would be also applicable to much more introvert personalities, and definitely they would be able to gain a lot from this point. So the point is always stand in front of the mirror daily for 5-10 minutes and practice different question and answers with yourself by looking into your eyes and focusing on your personality in the mirror. This helped me a lot when I was to face job interviews for multinational companies, and trust me, by this technique I aced all the interviews whichever I appeared. I gained a lot of confidence because I was able to look into the interviewer's eye, and definitely it also made me feel comfortable, and the interviewer was also happy with me when he was trying to talk to me because of the open body language and making eye contact with him. So these two key points which helped me ace all the interviews, and I was also able to answer the questions because I listened to the questions very much carefully. So that's how I improved my communication skills. So I hope you will try to apply these techniques in your life, and trust me, in a matter of months or years, you would be able to improve your communication skills if you will stick to these techniques and apply in your real life. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you liked the video. If you are new to my channel, then please click on the subscribe button. And I hope you will share this technique with a lot of your introvert friends. Thank you very much.